If you're considering buying TruckStop, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. In this video, we're going to break down 7 key factors that could save you time, money, and headaches, especially if you're new to the software. By the end, you'll know if TruckStop is the right fit for your business or if you should consider other options. Stick around because we'll also tell you how you can try it for free with an exclusive link down below. First off, TruckStop is primarily known for its freight matching and load board features. But unlike other software options out there, like D8 or 123 load board, TruckStop has a massive database of available loads, with more carriers and brokers. If you need access to a broad network to stay competitive, TruckStop offers a unique advantage, making it easier to find and secure the loads that work for your business. Next, let's talk about pricing. One thing you'll quickly realize about TruckStop is that it isn't the cheapest option. It's definitely priced for serious businesses that are looking for quality, not just quantity. That said, its pricing structure is very flexible. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large fleet, you can tailor your subscription plan to suit your needs. But keep in mind, unlike some competitors, the price for TruckStop's premium features can add up quickly, so be sure to calculate if the investment fits into your budget. The third thing you need to know is its user interface. Compared to other platforms, TruckStop's interface is well organized but still has a bit of a learning curve. It's feature-packed, and while that's a good thing for advanced users, it can feel a little overwhelming if you're new to the software. Unlike some competitors with simpler designs, TruckStop offers more customization, which can be a huge benefit, but it requires a bit more time to master. The fourth thing to consider is the load tracking and dispatch management system. TruckStop integrates these features seamlessly, offering real-time updates and notifications. This level of integration helps reduce mistakes and miscommunication, something that sets it apart from the competition. But remember, if you're running a smaller operation, some of the advanced features may seem like overkill. Now, moving on to customer support. When it comes to troubleshooting or getting help with any issues, TruckStop has an excellent support team. Many users have praised their quick response times and thorough assistance. Compared to competitors, where customer support can sometimes be slow or less effective, TruckStop excels. Whether you prefer phone support or live chat, they've got you covered, which is a major plus for those just starting out. The next thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. TruckStop allows seamless integrations with various TMS systems, accounting software, and other essential tools. This makes it incredibly flexible for businesses that are already using other software solutions. If you're already using a TMS like ProMiles or McLeod, for instance, you'll find it easy to sync with TruckStop, saving time and reducing the potential for errors. And finally, TruckStop offers a great mobile app, making it easy for truckers and logistics managers to stay connected on the go. If you're used to the traditional desktop-only experience of other platforms, the TruckStop app adds a level of mobility that is essential for today's fast-paced logistics environment. However, the mobile app does have room for improvement in terms of some features, so it's worth testing it out yourself. If all of this sounds like something that could benefit your business, you can try out TruckStop completely free from the first link in the description. This will give you a chance to explore all of the features without any commitment and see if it's the right tool for you. To sum up, TruckStop is a powerful platform with a lot of great features, but it's not without its complexities and costs. If you're serious about growing your logistics or trucking business and need access to a robust network of loads and carriers, it's worth the investment. Just be sure to weigh the pricing, learning curve, and feature set to see if it's the best fit for you. Don't forget, if you want to try TruckStop for free and get exclusive benefits, make sure to click the first link in the description. Happy trucking!